What's going on, guys? It's an early Sunday morning. We're gonna head off to the NEDCO Spring break event. I was up, well, me, Ian, and Dylan were up pretty damn late last night getting this ready because I just got it back from Nate from the cage shop last night, and I really wanted to drift this event. We got the kit on, seats on, harnesses in, extinguisher. I didn't put the dash in because I gotta paint the cage anyway, so we just put mad zip ties all up in there. But yeah, also it's got half an exhaust, so it's wicked loud, and I'm gonna wake up all my neighbors at fucking 6 a.m. This is what the dash looks like. Managed to fix it with the flocking thanks to Lexi and Ian for taking their time, which I didn't, and I just ruined it the first time. Waiting for Ian to show up so he can be the chase car because I have no taillights, brake lights, headlights, turn signals, nothing without the dash in, so let's get it.
Like shit too.
Why'd you come into my driveway like a pissed off dad? Alright, so we're gonna head to NEDCO now. Hopefully we don't get pulled over. Hi, Dylan. Hi, DJ. What?
Just doing a little parade lap. First time in the cage. Woo! It's gonna be great.
All right, so that was a quick parade lap so we don't forget where we go, because I always forget where we go. So now C Group's up next.
They've never run this
and
course
it's a new
before.
course we've never done before. So we're gonna watch C Group and see how they do. All right, so today me and Lexi are the prime drift tow company for NEDCO. So we're gonna park this at grid. So if people break down, we can tow them to safety or rip their body kits off. Hi.
How you doing, bud?
What up, dude? We're the tow company today.
You are?
Yep.
Nice.
So far, so good, man.
Doing it.
What's with the hood?
Doesn't stay shut.
All right, well, it's an E30, so it's fine.
It's keeping it cooler.
Good.
Yeah. It's actually staying right. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Good luck, man. Me and Dylan are in the E30. This is going to be the first run ever with the cage in this course, so it's going to be pretty interesting. All right, as you can see, the Tahoe's gone. We already had one breakdown. Ian's out there with Lexi, gonna go hook up the 350Z to the Tahoe and pull it to safety. How'd the Tahoe do?
Dude, it tows beautifully. Like, you just put the pressure on it, and I just took my foot off the gas and just rolled with it.
All right, good. Wow, dude. Tahoe's working great.
The first tow of the day.
It was pretty scary, but it was pretty fun. Ian had a good time, and he's gonna quit his job and become a tow truck driver.
Fucking guy right there. Killing it.
We had a little bit of an accident today. Wounded soldier. I'm gonna take a picture of the Thank God it's the door, though. At least you can pop most of that right the hell off.
He said it was almost head on.
Oh my God. That was so, dude, I was shaking afterwards because fucking kid almost like hit me directly. Alright, so me and Lexi are gonna go do some laps in the new E30 because none of the teammates' cars are done.
Fuck you.
Yay!
Yep, we got no car Ian, no car Dylan, no car Matt, Vincent. Let's do this. I'm the only one, I'm all by myself. Yeah. We hit some stuff. Oops. Oops. Ah! So that was the first event in the E30 with the cage, and Ian has a squirt gun. But all in all, the E30 did pretty well. It didn't blow up. Oh, that's Random Helmet. Hi, Random Helmet. But yeah, I have some angle adjustments I have to do in the front to really dial in everything.
Is that Dylan's?
But other than that, it rode great. It looks pretty rough, but I'm gonna do vinyl wrap and make it look pretty again. And I'm excited. And Ian better have his car ready soon.
We'll discuss it.
Because as of right now, nobody made any of the events on the team except for me, so now I get bragging rights.
This is still, I'm just gonna leave it here.
But now we're gonna go home, eat some barbecue, like you should on a Sunday. Please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys. See you at the track. Cage life.